Hi there, I'm Lisa.
And I'm Shraddha.
Welcome to a little tour around the DIT main campus here in Deggendorf.
First off, there's no need to be intimidated by all the numbers and letters on the buildings or the buildings themselves. Once you get the hang of it, it's really easy to get around campus.
The A building here behind me houses the Faculty of Applied Economics. You might have some lectures here and you also can use the computer rooms.
Thank you, Lisa. This is the B building and it's probably one of the most important buildings for most of you. It has the post office that serves as both an information point and the lost and found. On the ground floor, we also have DIT student administration as well as our biggest lecture hall.
2 floors above, you have more service points. You have the international office, the career service that helps you with CV checks, and as well with your internship applications. And there is also the elective and language center.
The C building houses the Faculty of Mechatronics and Mechanical Engineering. Here, you will have classes and tutorials if you study courses such as general engineering.
A bit further down the road, there's the copy shop. Here you can buy office supplies and photocopy your work. You can pay everything with your student's ID there.
Building D and E on the other side of the campus are used by the faculties of Civil and Construction Engineering and Electrical Engineering.
You might have some lessons in the labs of the E building.
F stands for food. In the main canteen, you can get lunch upstairs and snacks and drinks on the ground floor.
Again, you can pay everything with your student's ID card.
Once you get the library introduction, you will be able to borrow books from our well-stocked library.
You also can use it to study here.
The H building houses the university's administration as well as the marketing department.
If you want to buy DIT merch like those t-shirts here, this is the place to go.
Here in the I building, you will find many fully equipped lecture halls that are used by all faculties. The J building is used by the media engineers. The building is fully equipped with a TV studio, a radio studio, and a recording studio.
In the K building, there are computer labs and the cafeteria.
In this cafeteria right here, you can get snacks and coffee at the counter. You can sit with your friends to study and to relax. The L building houses the Faculty of Applied Natural Sciences and Industrial Engineering.
You also can find a lot of labs here. We hope you enjoyed our little tour
and found it helpful.
Thank you for watching.
Bye bye and see you soon on campus.
Servus!